Hello, little artist. Are you ready to sing, play, and create something colorful today? Let's start our fun craft and song time. Look at these bright colors: red, yellow, blue, and green. Take your paper, crayons, and glue. Let's make a happy rainbow together. Cut, paste, color, and play. Creativity grows every day. Red and yellow, blue and green. Making art is so much fun. Clap your hands and sing with me. Creative kids are #1. Can you clap your hands?
Can you tap your feet?
Let's dance with colors and move to the beat. Great job, little creators. Keep crafting, keep